James Tokahira, a transport officer at the Ministry of Health, is alleged to have misused the ministry's motor vehicles registration number UG6495M Hino box body and UG6646M Tata lorry that were meant for the support of COVID-19 response.
We have this case of Mr. James Tokahira, Senior Assistant Secretary, Stock Transport Officer, Ministry of Health again, found in abuse of public property, misuse of government vehicles meant for COVID-19 pandemic activities for carrying out his personal construction works. The message from the Inspectorate of Government to the public: the Inspectorate of Government would therefore wish to thank the whistleblowers for their vigilance in reporting the abuse of government properties. Such whistleblowers should be rewarded for taking a step forward to report such cases.
The trucks were found to be ferrying building materials, including iron bars, cement, nails, among others.
As a ministry, ours is on to pledge that we are going to strengthen the internal controls to ensure that such kind of misdeeds, do not happen. But of course, as you know, I normally hear the police saying that we cannot be everywhere. Also, as an institution, we are a broad sector as a ministry. We have, our presence virtually everywhere in the entire country. So apart from, helping people to appreciate on the right thing to do, we cannot enforce on every aspect.
James Tokahira was arraigned before the Leadership Court Tribunal to answer charges of abuse of public property, contrary to Section 12B of the Leadership Code Act 2002.
To boost the Inspectorate efforts in this fight, the public is hereby called upon to report government officials who misuse public properties, motor vehicles, to the Inspectorate of Government for investigations.
The Inspectorate of Government commended vigilant members of the public for owning the war against corruption and reporting cases of abuse of government programs.
The strongest is the one who comes out and say, "I'm sorry I did this." You get me? And that's it. That's all I can say.
Were you aware that you were doing something?
No, because it was a welfare policy in the ministry to help staff. But as it came out, when they said, "Oh, you are doing wrong," I said, "I'm sorry."
This is the third incident where the Inspectorate of Government has handled cases regarding the misuse and abuse of public property. Sudat Kaye, UBC News.